Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is another problem for binomial expansion, and in terms of x to the power cube we have to expand it. So we have to use the binomial expansion rules, which is 1 plus x to the power n, right? 1 plus x to the power n equals to 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1. You have to memorize these rules. It is very much easy to memorize, but to use these rules the factor must start from 1, that is 1 plus x, 1 plus 2x, right? It is starting from 1, not 2, not 3, not others. So now 1 plus 2x to the power half, the n value is a half and x value is plus 2x. Careful about the plus and minus. If it is 1 minus 2x, then x value must be minus 2x. This one is very important, otherwise you will not use this, you cannot use this binomial expansion rules. So substitute the value of x and n in the expansion. 1 plus nx means half 2x, right? Nx, n value is a half here and x value is 2x here. Always use the plus rules in between the two terms. It is nx means half 2x plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial, then n, what is the value of n? It is half, and n minus 1, half minus 1 times x square. X value is 2x, so it is 2x whole square up to x to the power cube. So we have to expand up to x to the power cube, half n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times x to the power 3, that is here 2x to the power 3 it is. And now calculation this on. Do you understand? 3 factorial means this part, 2 factorial, this part for x square is 2x square, for x cube is 2x to the power cube. Just substitute the value. At first write the rules, binomial expansion rules, and simply substitute, then you will get the answer. 1 plus the calculation, it is x minus plus minus half a square plus I'm using the calculator, it is half x cube. So this is the expansion up to x to the power cube as the question wanted. So do you know what is the factorial means? Factorial means for example 2 factorial, it is 2 times 1. 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Or use your calculator. See you in the next class. Thank you.